Listen to that. Isn't that like one of the most annoying things about being in a hospital? Beep 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 beep. And yeah, more blood drawn out of my hand. Hopefully it was enough. And beep 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 beep. The woman who drew my blood was just not very nice. Not very nice at all. In fact, it's all my fault that I have air in my IV. um, do I not need to go to the bathroom and use my hands? Come on. Okay, so phlebotomist, whatever. Go home. Because, well, new nurse just came in and said, that's not my fault. And she fixed it. I walked out of the room to give me my evening meds, and the minute she walked out, here we go again. Beep beep, beep beep. It is not gonna shut up, and now this thing is starting to hurt. There's air in it. They gotta hear that. Come on. Chop chop, chop chop, chop chop. You know, the one thing that has worked to get them in here real quick is to talk to you on camera. They walk in every time, except for right now. This is gonna last forever. Beep 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 beep. This could drive anybody nuts. And I just pushed the nurse button. Man, that's okay. I got earbuds. I got earbuds, baby. I'm about to put them in and ignore this situation. Um, do I really have to push the nurse button again? Are you serious? Man, I am independent. I have been on my own since I was 17 years old. Look at this mess. Beep 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 beep. It ain't never gonna shut up. We'll be doing this all night long. What do you do with that? Like, how do you make that thing shut up? Beep 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 beep. Shut up. Getting cranky again. Ooh, that pain's coming back, and that thing, I want to throw it out the window. Somebody, please, come in here and fix it. Please. Come on, YouTube. You can do it. Get somebody in here now. Right now. Come on. This is neglect. Here I go. Alright. I gotta do what I gotta do to keep my mind, man. Hold up. Here I am again. Same thing. I wonder how long it will take to answer.
Can I help you?
Yes, I've got air or something in my IV, and somebody fixed it, and now it's beeping again, and there's like blood like coming up the tube. I don't know what to do.
It's all right. It's nothing to panic about. It happens all the time, but I'll let your nurse know.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Bye. Okay. I don't like being so dependent. Anyway, Somebody's coming. Maybe. I wonder if I stay on the camera, if they'll come in faster. You think? I bet you if I just sit here and talk, I'll be like, she's in there talking to herself. She done lost her mind. Oh, oh, I'm starting to hurt again. No. It's horrid pain. No. Okay.